we can utilize the percentage. So let's start off with an example problem. What is 10% of 250? You might think, wow, this is hard to do. You have to guess and check. Is 20 10%? No, that's of 200. But fortunately for us, there's a better way to do this. You start with converting the percentage to a fraction. So using our previous knowledge, we know this is 10 over 100 because percent. And then this also simplifies down for us since 10 divides both the numerator and the denominator. So we get 1 over 10. Then, if you're trying to do a percentage of a number, you take that number and then you multiply by the fraction, which is 1/10. Then from here, you can see that this is 250 over 10, which becomes 25, which is our answer. 25 is 10% of 250. Now let me give you a harder example. What is 32% of 350? Pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, so now that you've tried the problem a bit, you'd see that our first step was to do the percentage conversion, so this goes to 32 over 100. One notice that since we're dealing with big numbers, I don't really like to simplify stuff immediately. I normally like to simplify during the multiplication, which happens right now. 32 over 100 times 350. Where from doing this, you can see that one factor of 10 cancels out, so then you have 32 times 35 over 10. So here, since I chose some big numbers for this, you just do a long multiplication. So it would just be 35, 32. Then I multiply them out. So this becomes 70, then 0. So pretty much this happens. And then when you divide by 10, you get an answer of 112. So you know that 112 is 32% of 350. So now that we're pretty comfortable with doing these percentage of questions, in our next video we're going to be learning about unit rate and rate comparison. So stay tuned, more involved technique using fractions. So thank you for listening.